Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning class. How are you? All of you are fine. Okay class, what is the day today? Today is Friday. FRI Friday, day, Friday, comma, 18 December, comma, 2020. Our subject is GK. Okay, let's revise some weathers. Foggy day, rainy day, windy day, sunny day, cloudy day. Let's revise keywords. Mouse, mouse. Spouse, spouse, laus, laus, house, house, blouse, blouse, arouse. MOUSE mouse, SPOUSE spouse, LOUSE louse, HOUSE house, BLOUSE blouse, AROUSE arouse. Now come to the sentence of the week. I have taken bath today. I have taken bath today. Now come to the manner of the week. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night. All of you are following this? Fine. Okay class, now revise days of week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Revise spellings. MON MON DAY Monday. TUS Tuesday Tuesday. WED bed NES nest day Wednesday. THURS Thursday Thursday. FRI Friday Friday. SATUR Saturday Saturday. SVN Sun day Sunday. Now revise colors name. RED red. RED red. PURPLE purple. PURPLE purple. YELLOW yellow. YELLOW yellow. ORANGE orange. ORANGE orange. BLUE blue. Let's revise some dresses name. SOCKS socks. SOCKS socks. COAT coat. COAT coat. PANTS pants. PANTS pants. FROCK frock. Okay UKG class, today our topic is parts of plant. Today our topic is parts of plant. How many parts of plant? There are 4 parts of plant. I will show you. Fine. Okay, now look at this. Today our topic is parts of plant. Look at the flower. Yes, how many parts of plant? There are 4 parts of plant. Look at this. First one is flower. First one is flower. FLOWER flower. FLOWER flower. Second one is, what is this? This is leaf. LEAF leaf. LEAF leaf. Number 3, this is brown color. What is this in brown color? This is stem. STEM stem. STEM stem. Yes. Number 4, that is roots. Yes, these roots are under the soil. Under the soil. मट्टी के नीचे होती हैं ये. Okay? Yes, these are roots. ROOTS roots. ROOTS roots. Look at this. Yes, these are your 4 parts of plant. Yes class, now come to the copy work. First of all, you will write down the date. FRI Friday, Friday, comma, 18 December, comma, 2020. You will write topic, TOPIC topic, parts of plant. Write number 1, FLOWER flower. FLOWER flower. Number 2, leaf. LEAF leaf. LEAF leaf. Number 3, stem. STEM stem. STEM stem. Number 4, roots. ROOTS roots. ROOTS roots. Yes UKG class, all of you will do this work on your English classwork notebook. Fine. All of you will do this work on English classwork notebook.